Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making the ultimate comfort food, mac and cheese. First up, we're going to cook up our macaroni. And at the same time, we're going to cook up our sweet potato and carrot until soft. Next to the sweet potato and the carrot, we're going to add in the coconut milk, the cashews, the nutritional yeast, the lemon juice, the mustard, the garlic powder, the onion powder, a dash of salt, and pepper, and finally the water we saved over from our vegetables. Then give that a good blitz together until everything is well combined, thick and creamy. Oh yeah! All we need to do is add our cheesy sauce to our drained and rinsed pasta. And give it a good mix together until all the pasta is well coated. Now how you serve it is completely up to you. I like to top it off with some chopped up chives. And just a sprinkle of paprika. And then you're ready to tuck in. Oh my god, it's so good. So I really hope you enjoyed this recipe as always. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, subscribe to my channel. I make videos every Monday. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And of course, guys, if you make any of my recipes, don't forget to tag me on my social media. See you next time. Bye!